Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to sort data for text, dates, numbers, and also we will see color sort and multi-column sorting. Let's see one by one. First thing, if you see on the screen, I have written some sample of data for number, text, date. Now we can sort them in ascending order or descending order. Now see, I have written some sample of time and the time is in minutes, that is 5.6, 3.8, etc. Now if I want to sort them in ascending order, basically it is a number, it can be largest to smallest and smallest to largest. The method to sort is very easy. Just keep your cursor in between the cell that you want to sort, that column. Right side, if you see, there is a sort and filter option. After clicking this option, you will get a dialog box. From this dialog box, I am going to select sort smallest to largest. Now you can see the entire column is sorted from according to smallest to largest value. Now see the next place, I have written some currency. If you want to sort in descending order, same way I have to click in between the cell, then I have to click on this option sort and filter. From the dialog box, now I am going to select sort largest to smallest. Now see, this column is sorted according to descending order, that is largest value to smallest value. Now suppose we have two columns, name and salary. If I want to sort the second column, that is salary, and I want to sort it in descending order, now here the question arises, will it leave the relation with next column? Let's see how we can do it. For this, I'm going to select a row, that is Aman and salary 54, and I'm going to color it. Say suppose I will color it pink. I just colored it to make you more clear. Now see, I'll keep my cursor in salary column. I'll go to home tab and will click on sort and filter option. Now I'll select sort largest to smallest option. Now see, my salary is now in descending order. Now see, it is not leaving the relation with the next column. Means 54,000 salary remains with the name Aman. So in this way you can sort two columns. Next is date. Now see, I have written some dates and I want to sort them in ascending or descending order. So for this, I have to keep my cursor in the cell of the column where I want to apply sorting. Then after that I have to click on this sort and filter. It will show another option, that is sort oldest to newest and newest to oldest. Now suppose I am going to select newest to oldest. See, these dates are newest and these are the oldest date. Why we got these options, oldest to newest and newest to smallest? Because date cannot be sorted according to a number, that is largest to smallest. It can be only oldest to newest and newest to oldest. So in this way you can go for one column sorting. Now let's go for advanced sorting. Suppose I have written some data over here and I colored them. Now see, I want to sort my data according to color. For that, I have two options. See, first option is I have to click on data tab. From data tab, I have to click on this sort option. Now it will show sort dialog box. From this dialog box, first I have to select column, that is sort by. I can select either column A or column B because I'm going to sort my data according to color, not value. So I am going to select column A. Now it is asking sort on. I don't want sorting according to values. I just want according to cell color. So I am going to select cell color. After that, it is asking the order of color. Suppose I want yellow color on the top. Then after that I have to click on OK button. Now see, my yellow color is on the top. Again, I want after yellow color, pink color should be there. Again, I have to click on this sort option. Now I have to add the level. Now I'm going to select again column A. Second is cell color. Now see, after yellow color I want pink color. Then I have to click on OK. Now see, after yellow color I added a level, and in that level I selected pink color. Now see, my data is sorted according to color. I selected first yellow color. After that it will sort according to my choice. That is, I selected pink color. See, if you want to sort data according to font color, you can do in the same way I have done with the cell color. Now come to another point. See, I have some data, name, salary, date of joining and department. Now I want to implement multi-column sorting. I want salary should be in descending order, but it should be department wise. For that, I can select sort option from this data tab, or from the home tab I can select sort and filter option, and I have to select this custom sort. The same dialog box will appear. Now see, I want to sort my data according to salary. So for that I have to select the salary column. Salary is in my H column. See, this is my H column. I have to select sort by H column because I want to sort my data according to salary column. Now again it is asking sort on. I want to sort on values, not color. So again I have to select the order. I want salary should be descending, means largest to smallest. Now I want the salary with department wise. For that I have to add the level. Now see, department is in J column. So for that I have to click on J column, and again I want to implement sorting on value A to Z. Now just click OK. Now see, the data is department wise. In English we have two values, and these two values are in descending order of salary. Department of computer has three values, and these three values are in descending order of salary. Commerce has two values, and these are also in the same way. So in this way we can sort number value with text value. Now suppose I want department wise name should be in alphabetic order. For that I'm going to select again this sort and filter option. I'm going to select custom sort. First of all, I want a department wise name should be in alphabetic order. So I'm going to select this J column because my department is in J column. Now suppose I want it should be Z to A, that means in descending order. Now for name I have to add the label. Name is in my G column, so I have to select this G column. I want it should be A to Z wise. Now I have to click OK. Now see what happened. It include this column as the one of the value of this column, department as one of the value of this column, but I don't want to include this row in my sorting. For that I have to again implement sorting. First of all, I have to undo it. I'm going to press Ctrl Z. Now see, for this type of sorting, I have to select the range because I don't want to implement the top row in my sorting, because this is also the text value. This is also text value. For that, I have to again click sort and filter option, custom sort. Now it is already done that I have to choose a department that is in the J column, Z to A, and name is in Z column, Z, A to Z. Now I have to press OK. Now see what happened. It sort according to department wise alphabetic order. English has two values, Aman and Pankaj. The name is in alphabetic A to Z and department wise. Computer has three values. Now the name is in alphabetic order department wise. Commerce has two values and the name is again in alphabetic order. So in this way you can sort your text data with text data. That's it from this video.